Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Idaramezie. Welcome to my channel. I just want you to join me while I unbox this package I got from Amazon. So this is from Elitehood Stand. This is what it looks like. This is what the stand looks like. So it has this, I don't know if you can see this thing here. So when you turn it to this other side, it's just like when you turn it to this other side, you've locked this thing here, so it's not going to move. Then when you turn it to your right, then which means you can now fold it and put it in the bag. So if you want to make use of it, you lock it here, making this not to move. So it has also this tree stand. Is just like an adjustable leg. So if you want it to, you see, it comes, so it has like that, the two sides. So this is the first one, and it says it's like 71 inches. So let's see how long this is. Ooh. Wow, I love the quality because I didn't even expect it to be this. I think I have to close it a bit. Okay. So this is how. So when you unlock this and you've gotten to the length you want, you just have to lock it back so it doesn't go back in. Wow, this is really long. Yeah, so this is the adjustable where you can put your phone, so you can have it this. There are some screws down here. Let me see if I can show you here and here that is adjustable, so you can put it this way and shoot, you see. While you can also, oh god, I've tightened it, so you can make it this other way. So it, either you want it up or you want it down, whichever way you want to shoot with it. So, and also while going out for your selfie, you could also use this. This also have an adjustable length. Oh, you see, for your selfies. Elitehood, I really like this product. Honestly, I never knew it was this beautiful. I was really scared while ordering this thing. Honestly, I was really scared, but I must confess that the outcome is really nice. You can check them out. And what especially is this bag. I never knew, because I was just thinking, if I'm going out, how do I take this thing out? But with this, nice. So you can tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think is what I ordered versus what I have? For me, it's nice. So if you want to take the legs in, so you just unlock again, unlock. Then you, oops. Okay, then you unlock. Let me do it one after the other. Then you lock. So this is nice, really nice. The most important thing for me is this, my tripod. What I ordered, I have what I ordered. So thank you guys for watching.